Hello? Hello, hello, hello. There we go. I definitely should have checked that. What? All good. So I've been talking the past like probably like 10 minutes now, talking about what I'm doing, practicing. Um, anyways, I've just been setting up Trello, talking about the game. Nothing really that important. Just doing random shit. Setting up Trello. Now it's working? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Appreciate the guidance. Constructive criticism. Okay. Save loading, game manager, level manager, monetization. Yeah, leaderboards. What else? It's kind of like UI. Menus. So this will be a bit of a thicker card. Let's go. Checklist. Do. Main menu. Pause menu. Am I too quiet? Or the music is too faint? Looking at Discord chat, not stream chat. For anybody who watches this later on. If you do, why would you? Okay. Pause menu. Game over. Maybe we'll do like an ad watch to continue. That'll probably be like in game though. Uh, hmm. Turn that down a little bit. Okay. So yeah, let's just get into Unity because this shit's kind of boring. Default Unity layout. It's not ideal for me. I don't like it that much. I have a bunch of like random layouts that I use. Big projects is fun, but it takes like 3 monitors, so probably won't be doing that. 2x3 all tabs. So if I turn on my third monitor here, there's about a 20% chance my whole house just blacks out because I don't know what the fuck's the problem with it, but we quickly steal this window, bring it over, turn off the monitor quickly. Scary stuff. All right, I'm just gonna keep this over here. Build settings, I don't want that right now. Don't need animator. Don't need physics debugging quite yet. Project settings, that's fine. Console's fine. Right. God damn. Okay. Empty scene. So yeah, like I said before, when my mic was muted and nobody could hear me, we're probably just gonna build frameworks first because the car I want to build is extremely physics heavy. It'll take me like a couple hours to make and then another couple hours just to test and debug it. So it'll be like a whole day affair. And obviously we should set up the game first. But yeah, so we're building a mobile game. First thing you want to do generally, go to a mobile platform. I find it easier to test with Android or to start developing with Android because you can use what's it called, Unity Remote, and you can like test on your device during runtime, which is pretty nice. So we shall do that. Let me plug in my stuff. My super old dinosaur Android phone. I think it's from like 2008. But gets the job done, man. I just can't run builds. It's if it encounters an ad, it just blows up. Not literally, but mentally. All right. What else? What else? Okay. We got still going, still streaming. Everything's good. All right. Just responding to a friend talking about the stream. He's gonna laugh. He streams a lot. He's pretty good. As good as he can be at streaming, I guess. But anyways. So we're in Android. Sweet. Like I said, empty project. Completely empty. We are building this completely from scratch. Concept to commercial product. It shouldn't take too long. It's not that big of a game. Level design may be a little bit annoying, unless you like level design. But not many people do. It's an acquired taste for sure. Let me just show you guys what I'm doing here. So I'm just setting up my project. Okay, how do we want to do it? Player. Just gonna set up our presentation right now. Company name. I'm just gonna set this to my company name. C2 Games. Product name, delivery simulator version. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. Resolution. So we want to lock it to landscape. And I'm failing to remember where to do that. It's not a huge deal right now anyways, but yeah. It's definitely not there. I think it's in here somewhere. Publishing settings. Whatever, doesn't matter. You want to do minimum API 33, or you'll instantly get denied at Google Play submission. Something to note. It's a bit new, but we'll deal with all that stuff later. For now, let's just start building some stuff. Get coding. So we want a scripts folder. We want a materials folder, sure. Maybe some F2 to rename prefabs. I usually just build folders as I go, but sometimes it just gives you a bit of an idea where to start. Materials, prefab scenes. Scenes, yeah, that's cool. Let's just create a new scene here. We'll just call it test scene. While we're here, might as well just make a main menu scene. Main menu. A lot of games, they do their menu like in the gameplay scene, but you can get a little overloaded when you're trying to handle like game over, pause, main menu, and like all that together. So I find it easier just to load scenes. I mean, if you have a nice loading bar, what's the big deal? And it gets a mobile game and it loads pretty quick. There's not much anyways, so it's whatever. But to start, what did I say I was doing first? Oh yeah, player load saving. We're just gonna get that out of the way. It doesn't take too long. So we're gonna make a script, call it player data. We are going to make another script. If I bring out my Trello, I think I call it load save manager. Scott Trello save loading. Player data, load saving. Oh yeah, encryption data. And we'll get to encryption data. It's a bit not very user friendly. We're just encrypting an XML file basically. Not a huge deal. Okay. So yeah, let's build our player data first. So this is going to be our saving loading system. It's kind of a weird thing to start with, but I just want to get it out of the way because like you use it a lot basically throughout all testing and stuff if you want to inject data, some unit tests or something. So I'm just going to delete all this. And we need Unity engine, systems, generic, we don't need collections. We want our system IO, input output. IO, cool. And then we will be using some, oh, that's something I gotta do as well. Unity Analytics. Pretty important for online games. Analytics initializer. So I'm going to try to be using Unity Cloud services during this, so you definitely want analytics. I'm pretty sure it's a requirement, actually. Just go window, general, services. Here we go. All right, what do we want? We'll do some ads. C2 Studios, yeah. Hang on. Let me double check that. Unity dashboard. Give me the one click sign in. Nice. Thank you. Okay. We've made bank recently, as you can see. Oh. Cat splat, not cat splat. I think we'll just do C2. Yeah. Create project. No, I'm just gonna link it to C2 and it will create it itself. It's easier to do it through Unity than through the internet, in my opinion. So we're just gonna create project ID. And let it do its thing. So we just go back up to services here. There we go. Project name Delivery Simulator, Unity Organization, C2 Studios. It's just, you can make it, I'm pretty sure you can make it for free. Project ID, members, if you want to add people. Will this app primarily be targeted children under the age of 13? No, not primarily targeted. I don't know, I'll probably have to revisit that later. You gotta be very careful with that stuff. But if we go back to our dashboard and refresh, should see something. There we go, Delivery Simulator. Ooh, just like that, published. Just kidding, far from it. Anyways, so what are we doing? What kind of services do we want? We will have ads, not pop-up ads. Those are frowned upon. Don't like them. Get them out of here. It'll be like reward ads, maybe a banner ad on some like idle page or something like that. In-app purchases, yeah. Do not disable. Okay. All right. This button, it doesn't look like a button. Could add a quick IAP today too, even though there's like no gameplay whatsoever, but you're curious how that's done. Doesn't take too long. It's a little daunting at first. Looks a little weird, a little scary, but it's not bad. The worst part is just getting it hooked up with Apple and Google Play. Yeah, reload that. I know I'm kind of jumping all around right now, but once we get the basics, the framework set up, it'll start moving along pretty good. The AI will be pretty fun to make as well. Look forward to that. Computer's chugging. Okay. Oh, just pulled up chat. Yo, my bad. Yo, what's up, Brandon? What's up, Dylan? What a beautiful voice. Thanks, man. How did I come up with the idea? This was for a physics project in school. We had to create some sort of physics project, and I like cars, I guess. So I said to, I'm gonna make a delivery simulator, a drug dealer simulator. And the teacher's like, you cannot make a game about drugs in school. So I was like, all right, I'll make a UPS, like, boring simulator then. And then ended up putting together, like, this is what the project looked like originally. But I'm gonna remake it, like, make it way better. These are just personal past projects. Delivery sim. This was the original game. We're gonna make it, like, way better. And this was for desktop. It's like, it's so buggy. Looks like shit. Well, actually, it's not bad, but yeah, I was looking back on old projects and I was like, I should remake this for mobile. Would be fun. I think you might be able to play it on itch. I can drop this link into the chat, but I have no guarantee. I haven't played this game since like 2020. It's probably broken as hell. Does not make I'm pretty sure it's like super busted in that it's yeah, it's like yeah, it's I wanted to make like thank you, thank you. I wanted to make like a non-realistic like looking game like low poly but like super realistic driving. Um I think that's kind of a cool style. Like a Roblox game that's like gyro controls. Like I could, but I don't I don't want it. I'm more of a joystick kind of guy. Might add an option like tilting the phone around to do that stuff. But so tedious. Like if you're playing the game in public and you're just sitting on your train or whatever going like that, it's a bit weird. But whatever. Anyways, uh, clear data. Yeah, okay, we can just get this out of the way like super quick. I don't know. Do you want me to add gyro? 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 I could, but it'll be like I'll put it on the wish list. Here, just for you. Where's my Trello? Just for you. Gyro controls. Dylan wants there you go. Beautiful. I'll maybe oh we'll do it. We'll do it. It's a wish. It's on the to-do list, man. Leave me alone. Alright. Back to it. So player data. What kind of data do we want to save? What do we want to load when we build our game? Right. Oh yeah, I was just setting up Unity Analytics for this reason. So we're going to do something called an if and def. My keyboard is in German, so it's a little bit hard to find the right symbols sometimes. If Unity Analytics, oh, it's all caps. Analytics, yes. Using, I hate this shit because it goes gray and your IntelliSense doesn't work. So you just go like this, analytics, but you only want to use it if you're using analytics. It's really weird, but it's how it's done. And if I don't know. I bought a pre-built PC because I'm lazy, and the keyboard came and it's like it's not like German, like it's still English alphabet, but like look at where the keys are. Like, hang on, look at look at this. That's my backslash. There's not a single backslash key on it, and like it's just weird. Like the chevron stuff is like a ex on goo. Like all this weird, really weird. So it takes me a sec. Like I just go purely off muscle memory. That's it. I don't even look at the keyboard anymore, really. I don't know if it's actually German. I just say German because it just doesn't make sense to me. But regardless, yeah, it's funky. All right, what else do we want? Yeah, and like all my symbols are messed up. Like this number sign is a backslash, a 3, and then it has a euro symbol on the 3 key. I don't know. Okay. It's messed up. It takes me a second to find symbols and stuff. Okay, anyways. Unity editor. We're in the editor. We will be using the Unity editor. And then we can add if. That those are if statements outside of a class. It looks very weird and unappealing. Oh, I gotta get some overlays for like sub count stuff. Already up 2 today. It's huge. Huge. Anyways. Okay, let's actually build this thing that I said I could build really quick, but I've been talking for like 20 minutes. So it is not a mono behavior. We don't need update. start or any of that nonsense. Not nonsense, it's actually incredibly important. BRB, no worries. Protected player data. So we're just gonna make a little instance of our player data here. If you're not sure what an instance is, basically just ensures that there's only one entity, one existence of this class, so you don't get multiple different values and whatnot. And then we're just gonna create the rest of their instance here. We can call it instance. Yep, no worries, dog. Get return PD underscore instance. There we go. So when we call the instance, it's just going to return our protected value right there. Perfect. And then we need save file. So the name of the file that we want to write our data to and pull our data to. It will be XML format. I will go over what that is when it comes down to it. It means like exchange something mockup language, machine mockup language or something like that. This is a protected string save file, and we will just default it to an empty string, which is just a string with no space. Alrighty. And now we can start making variables of all the things we want to save. Thanks, dog. 2021 alumni. Yeah, 2021. Pretty good school. Got some friends there to teach now. Got some good programs if you want to check it out. Okay, what do we want to save? We want to save our music, our sound volumes. So those are just floats. Master volume, default it to 1. So when they open up the game for the first time, the sound settings are value of 0 to 1. Just think of it as percentages. So 1 is 100% volume. So the first time they open the game, you want it to be 1, so they can actually hear what's going on. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Check it out. Yeah, pretty good teachers. Yeah, pretty knowledgeable. Really good at the game design and development. A couple published titles. And you get industry experience there, which is pretty cool. Hands-on experience, studio environment, which is always good. Looks great on a resume. Master volume, music volume, and SFX volume. Cool. And then, oh, you go to okay, you go to TFS. I got you. Ryan Salam. It's my buddy. It's my boy. But yeah, he can be a little sassy from time to time. Yeah. Doesn't take no shit. I'll tell you that. Nah, he's a great guy though. Love that guy. We also want to save our currency. So if you earn coins from playing and stuff, we're gonna save currency. We're gonna save a high score. I don't know. Should we do scoring? Like how many packages you delivered? Or time? Or both? Let's just do time. Best time. So, should maybe add some comments here. Sound settings. Economy / high scores. What term are you in, Burning Flame? Oh, and then we'll do a little monetization as well. So, public bool, this will be an in-app purchase called is premium. Basically, if there's a premium member, we just disable all ads and we give them special treatment because they pay to win. Okay. There we go. This is the data that I want to save for now. 18th term. Damn. The veteran. He's never fucking leaving. He's never leaving. I respect it. Started fall 2019? Dude, I was fall 2019. Maybe we know each other. I started It was like October 2019. Yeah, I don't know. I was in Ryan's class, and I was in class with Ryan and Josh. 21. Nice, nice. I was April 2021, so like a term before you. We were yeah, like I was in Ryan and Josh's class, so we did pest control capstone, which is pretty good. You can play it. I think it's on itch still. Not term one. Uh, oh, for an example, let's say that you unlocked on wash off pest control. Yeah, I was the guy who made all the weapons on pest control. You were pest control? Oh, dude, yeah, we probably know each other. You're the audio guy. Oh my god, Josh. Josh, is that you? All right, I'm getting distracted. Oh yeah, okay. If you wanted to save like, yeah, like let's say you bought like cars and stuff, it would be like list game object own cars, and then wow, you cheeky little bugger. Bennett, I thought you were just someone who just couldn't get past like term three before, and yeah, I was just trying to be nice. Dude, I don't know. Um, yeah, Ryan is a jerk. I hope not, but like a student could come in here and easily say that. But anyways, if you wanted to, it would just be like new list, whatever game object, own cars, and then when you buy it from the shop, you would just go own cars, add a car. It's not like this, sorry. It's like this. There you go. Yeah, it sounded familiar, but I just didn't put it together. I'm trying to work, all right? Fucking leave me alone. It was the old account name, he says. Yeah, yeah. Ah, okay. What's next? Load save manager. My God, the fellows are distracting me. Alrighty. Oh, this is where we're doing encryption. Lord of the Rings mining game. That's I forget the name. More. I was gonna say Mortania, but that's RuneScape. Uh, more. I don't know. Ryan was saying it's like V Rising. And if that's the case, I might have to get it. Just adding some using lines. XML serialization, and we're going to be using cryptography, which is encryption. Um, it's just this is what you need. Don't look into it. Don't read into it too much. This is it. Yeah, I'm not a big full price for games guy. That's why I bought the Game Pass. But we'll see. I can even remember like the last game I bought that was full price. Maybe no, I bought Cyberpunk on sale. Maybe. Wait, what was the other game? Hang on. I need to know. I bought Deep Rock Galactic for like $5. And I played like 20 minutes in it because I was just I don't know, wasn't feeling it. I gotta play with friends. Oh, I bought Hogwarts Legacy was the last full price game I bought, and I bought the premium for like 130 bucks. Yeah, yeah, Hogwarts Legacy, and I still haven't even finished it, but I have like 60 hours. But all of a sudden, like the frame just went to shit on my computer, so I just got lost interest. Yeah, you have one of the biggest Steam libraries I've ever seen. It's like nauseatingly large. Okay. Encryption data. Encryption data. My Deep Rock Galactics. Yeah, that's what everyone's saying. Maybe we'll play tonight or something. Save game data. Never gonna get to. Hmm. Isn't I thought she was playing Breath of the Wild. Or am I thinking of a different fiance? I hope not. Do I have it on GP? What is GP again? I have it on Steam. I don't know. Yeah, like I have it installed. I just haven't played it. I think Ryan was interested in playing it too at one point. Oh, cross-plat. Wait, no, that's not. I'm lost in the sauce. Game Pass. I got you. I got you. Is it on Game Pass? I don't know. Let's have a look. I don't think so. I bought it on Steam for I had like $5 credit and it was like a couple bucks. Deep Rock. Included with Game Pass. Yeah, there you go. Good to go. It's also on sale if you don't have Game Pass. It's cheaper than buying Game Pass right now. But I'd recommend getting Game Pass. Put Ghostwire Tokyo on it. Hmm. You can play FIFA and kill yourself because that's all you want to do when you play that game. Okay, public class. So we're gonna make a game state data class, which is basically the data for our current game state. So your current run or load up, whatever you want to call it. And then we're just gonna make another class that's basically just gonna be a clone of our player data called data player. Nice. Yeah, I'm down to play there tonight. After I maybe finish this one script, if you guys leave me alone. Just kidding. Stay. Yeah, you can't play with Steam friends. Wow. That's a scam. It's a goddamn scam. So what are we putting in this class? Basically all this. Start what we're gonna save. There you go. Boom boom boom. So, and then at the bottom we're just gonna make a new instance for constructor is equal to new data player. Here we go. So we'll call this on load up and it'll create a new save file. Not yet, but it will. Public game state data, what we just made. We're just gonna call it game state capital S so you can read it. And that is a new constructor as well. State data. Alrighty. And then the very necessary save function is a void save. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna pass in our save file. File name. And you can default it here. I just defaulted to savegame.xml. So it's basically just the name of your save file and your local files or whatever. Works on mobile, obviously, or we would not be doing it. And now it's time to encrypt. It might get a little scary, but it's okay. It's okay. What am I lying about? What did I lie? Okay. AES. AES. Part of cryptography. Basically just setting up how we want to frame it. This is like a key kind of thing. I forget the exact what it's called, but we can go to it. It's like an algorithm, a cryptography algorithm to encrypt data. Make it very tough to read. Yeah, okay. I'm getting distracted by a Discord chat. All right. Yeah, I'm very distracted by a Discord chat. Okay, encryption data. Next up, how do we want to encrypt it? I will tell you. Pretty simple script. Doesn't look simple, but it is. We're gonna add some usings. Let's just get rid of all this. It's gonna complain, that's fine. System.collections. System.collections.generic. Semicolon. Using Unity Engine, of course. And using system.text. So we'll be writing to the system. Alright. This will be a scriptable object. What is a scriptable object? It's a great question. It says on the docs. It's basically just an object that you can create that holds data persistent through all games. That was a really bad description of it. That's kind of what it does. Encryption data. Cool, comma. Menu name. Scriptable objects. Backslash. Encryption objects. There we go. And so I'm gonna make a default one now, but then I'm gonna change it off stream so people can't load up my stream and just instantly get the key on how to hack the game. So for right now, we'll just make a super basic one. Private static byte. Actually, no, this is a string called key. What does it do? You want, I think it's 16 digits. Yeah, 16 units. So 1, 3, 4. There you go. So this is literally just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. That's it. I will change that later. Don't try to hack the game. Or do it. I don't care. Do it and make a video about it. Go viral. That would be nice. Free marketing. Our byte key is basically the kind of like hidden key. Well, it's like how many bytes our key is. It'll be 16. But we're gonna do it in a fun way. TF8. Yeah, bytes. Boom. Key. There you go. So we're getting the bytes of our key. 16. One character, one char. So byte, 16 chars in this string. Char is just a letter or a unit. A number, they call it. Encrypt IB. So encryption Ivy. 1 before 5. I don't know. Don't ask questions in programming, just get the job done. And this will be the key, but in a string form. There you go. Hey, there you go. There's your encryption data. Simple as that. You have encrypted a save file. Pretty sick. And, well, I can't show you yet, but I will. So we're just going to create a new folder here. We're going to call it script double objects. There probably won't be many unless we make a bunch of cards ever. Don't ask questions, just allow it. Allow it, Bob. Pretty much so. Oh no, where is my scriptable object? Did I save? File name, encryption data, scriptable objects / encrypted objects. Checks out. Oh. I freaking hate scriptable objects, man. WTF? So something's wrong with it. Menu names scriptable objects / but oh yeah, I know what the problem is. It's not a model behavior, it's a scriptable object. Freaking dingus. Classic. Absolute classic. Gets me every time. And it's still not here, which is great. Encryption data, scriptable object. Yep. Yep. Create asset menu file name. Yeah. It's fine. I don't know what the freaking problem is. Oh man. Why is that throwing me off so much? Dude. Goddamn. I swear scriptable objects are the bane of my existence. Like, they never work for me. Oh, I'm reading Discord, sorry. Yeah, I hate scriptable objects. They suck. Maybe it's because I suck. Never know. But typically it would be about right here. Okay, moving on. I can't be asked. CBA, mate. CBA. What else? Oh, shit. 4 subs. Let's go. Yep, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Humble beginnings. What's up? Alright. Okay. Yeah, back to the load saving. I said this was gonna take me like 20 minutes. It's been like 2 hours. Fuck. This is not a. This is an 18 plus stream, by the way. I'm swearing because that's what I do when I develop. I get mad, but in a good way. Debug.log, we're just gonna save the file name where it's coming from, so you can easily just like copy and paste the file path and just go to it in your computer, your phone, but you won't be doing it in your phone. All right. File stream. Where is the stream coming from? File stream. File dot open. Open. What are we opening? We're opening our file name, the file that we passed in, and file mode dot create. So we're gonna create a new file every time we go to save, because if you don't, it overwrites it, and the thing just keeps getting bigger, and it'll just won't be able to read it at a certain point. And it's incredibly hard to debug, so you just want to create a new one. Learn that the hard way. Crypto stream. What is a crypto stream? Our cryptography settings towards the file stream. Crypto stream. New crypto stream. And then we're going to use our scriptable object that we didn't create / just created. New crypto stream. So our stream that we just created. AES, our key. Create encryptor. My encryption data dot byte key. So the thing that we just made with the ABCD 9 16-digit code. My encryption data. Encrypt IB. Cool. And then we are going to write to the stream. Crypto stream dot write. Here you go. We have encrypted a file. So these little kids can't come in and try to steal it. That ain't it. That ain't it. Crypto stream right. Stream mode. Alright, there we go. It's an enum. Crypto stream node. Alright. So we're writing to the crypto stream. It's great. We're gonna do a try catch so we don't break our computer if it doesn't work. XML serializer. So this is the library for encrypting an XML file. XML serializer. Here we go. Just gonna call it serializer. New XML serializer. Type of. This will be what the game state data class, whatever you called this. I just called it game state data because that's what it is. It's the data of the game in its current state. Simple as that. Okay. And then we're going to serialize. Serialize. Crypto stream and our game state. Boom. And then if it didn't work, we're just going to catch the error. Or no, sorry, we're not going to catch. We are going to brute force, saying finally. So if that doesn't work, finally, it will do this. Where we just want to close the stream. And stream.close. Boom. Encrypt. What's wild? Encryption? XML? Coding in general? Or my general attitude today? Show your work. Public void. So that was our save. Now we gotta load. Makes sense, right? Not the fucking level until sense. String file name Once again, this is basically the same as load, but we're doing it in reverse. We're hitting it from the back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's a bit of a delay. It can be a little strange. I don't have the memory. Be a goldfish, Josh. Be a goldfish. Head lasso. I mean burning flame. Shit, I just outed him. His name. No. Plus, well, I should just be copying and pasting, but for whatever reason, I think I'm doing like a tutorial right now. Clearly not. Talking about fucking nonsense. But here we go. Be a goldfish. Indeed. Great show. Great show. Shit. Got him. Yeah, have you finished it? You watched season 3? It's yeah, it's sad, but I don't even know if it was a good ending or not. You know? It's one of those, it's like Silicon Valley ending. Sad ending, but it's like they tied it up well, kind of. I'm on the fence, you know? On the fence. So I'm just gonna copy and paste because I'm lazy and it's kind of pretty simple to understand what's going on. Not really though, because it doesn't. Encryption's not easy. It's just straight up not easy. There's a lot of weird shit going on. Final access. It's sad show. Sad show. Yeah. The airport when he's leaving. Try not to spoil it. Yeah, I wanted to keep going as well. Just being like a soccer fan, football fan, whatever. I was just sad the show's over. It's pretty good. But, you know, life moves on. So should you. Go stream aes.create decryptor. So before we created an encryptor, now we're creating a decryptor. So we're basically decrypting save file. We're decrypting what we encrypted before with the same code or key, same IV, all that shit, all that nonsense, mumbo jumbo. Yeah, be a goldfish. We're gonna even watch the show. Be a goldfish. This is water, by the way. I'm just a happy guy. Where were we? Oh yeah, we're creating a decryptor. And it's essentially just going to be the same thing, so I'm just going to copy this. But very important difference is we are not writing, we are reading. Very good. Read. Okay. All right, we got our crypto stream. And then we are just going to try catch again. So things don't go kaboom. It won't actually kaboom, but Unity will think it did. It takes so long to find that. Serializer. New XML serializer. Type of. And once again, this is our game state data. So we're just going to try to decrypt it into our game state data. So in the save file, if we find a master volume string, we're just going to set it. This is our new stuff. So you just bring back the old save file. It's not bad. Not bad. And this does work between iOS and Android, so it's quite nice. Universal system. If you have any idea what's going on. I'm only like 60% sure what I'm doing, to be honest. I've just done it about 50 times, so start to figure it out after 25. crypto stream dot close. Finally, we're just gonna close the stream again. Stream dot close. There we go. Saving and loading, basically done. And that's all it took. Like, how long have I been streaming? Like 2 hours now? No, like an hour. Hour and a little. Hour and some change. Not bad at all. But we still have some things to do. Like figure out why my encryption key doesn't want to work, or my serialized scriptable object doesn't want to work. Just kind of annoying. Yeah, I really have no idea what the hell this thing's on about. Just gonna copy paste it for my reference. The exact same. I thought. So it's Unity's fault, not mine. It's never my fault. Always blame the software or the hardware, never the user. This is a rule. I'm actually like concerned though why it's not here. I wonder. Can I just see what happens if I just slap the script on it? I'll even be able to? I doubt it, because it's not a mono behavior. Is that gonna just break everything? Is this valid? Bro. What? The fuck? Yeah, that would help. Alright. Okay. Let's get our encryption. Yeah, there you go. Now it's a scriptable object. Okay. You're trying to say reload. Encryption on here, chance it's bro. There it is. Now it shows up. Okay. Sick. Broken game. Broken engine. Pay to win engine. Yes, we give it 16 digits and it just generates based off the 16 digits. I will change the key to generate later. So once again, don't try to hack me. It won't work. Or it might, because I forget. I get forgetful. Regardless, we need an empty object. We're going to call it our load save manager. And this is going to hold our load save manager and our encryption data right here. And then while we're down here, we're just going to create an empty. I'm going to call it game manager. Also, always reset your transforms so they're not at 38,000 units in the sky. I'm still in sample scene. Okay, I should probably be doing this in main menu. Maybe I'll just rename the scene main menu. Actually, we already have one, so I'm just gonna test something out. So here we go. Test worked. Control C, Control V between scenes. Very nice. Cool. We're gonna add you. Do I have a game manager script yet? Nope. So I'm just gonna make a folder. I'm just gonna call it managers. I should have done this a long time ago. Put the load save in it. I should be able to do it now. This might cause an issue. Okay. All right. So with this, let's create our game manager here. Very important script. And it's going to be using a lot of stuff. And Unity doesn't like to open scripts when you first create them because it's just awesome like that. And so I'm gonna go back. So we're using collections, generic Unity engine. We'll be needing our input output because we will be calling our save system here with our save file. What else we want? We could just add some scene management to the game manager. Just kind of combine like a scene manager and a game manager. Pretty similar stuff. Like if your game is very large, you want to keep that separate, but this won't be a large game, it's just a little mobile game. So Unity engine, scene management, so we can call load scene asyncs and whatnot. Then we'll be using analytics, Unity engine analytics. Here we go. Mr. Salam. What's up, buddy? Shouldn't you be in class? Shouldn't you be learning? Fucking loser. Hmm. Do. All right. Game manager. Get rid of that garbage. Create some instances. Let's add a game manager instance to null. Just default it. Private. That should be private. Load save manager. State manager. So this will handle saving. Basically just a variable for that load save manager script we just made. We could add like an enum for the game state. Might as well. Game state. So we just use the word game state a lot, so I don't want to call it the same thing. Main menu. Playing. Game over. Could add a pause as well. There you go. I don't even know if I'm going to use it, but there you go. If you want to cycle between states. A guy I know likes to do that stuff. Don't need that. So yeah, we'll just finish making our instance here. Game manager instance. It's gonna complain because this is already here, so we'll make that lowercase because it's private. Instance. Nope. Boy. All right. Naeem, what's up? Making a dragon simulator? Just for you, buddy. Dragon sim. There is no instance or instance is equal to null. It's essentially the same thing, but just in case. I figured you would like it. You should make like a game like Farmville, but it's like you grow dragons. I think you would really like that. Like How to Train Your Dragon, but How to Grow Your Dragon. Spin-off. Knockoff. I think huge industry for that. Just you alone would spend a lot of money on it. So it's not a bad idea. Alright. I thought you'd like that. Yo, pay me to make it, dog, and I'll make it for you. No worries. Imagine you had like a little farm. You grow like insects and like I don't know what dragons eat, different types of resources, and then you like craft dragons basically. Yeah, it's actually sick. Yeah, you grow the egg from concept to creation. You ever watch Harry Potter, dude? Not everything's biology. Genetically modified, enhanced dragons. Oh no. My lo-fi. Yeah, the mandrakes. Doesn't even know the name. Alright. Upload static. Load state manager. State manager. Very good. Dude, IntelliSense is being so annoying. Mandrakes. Yeah. Typology 101. Get your earmuffs. That's word for word the script. Alright. My lo-fi is dying. Just play some actual music. What the hell is this? There's no game manager instance. Return now. We want our state manager though. Just get that out of the way. Unagi. First time I was like, damn. What? Dragons. What the fuck? What did I just read, man? It's like, damn, plant dragons have to be sick, but then they pull a butt ass naked dude out of plant screaming. Yeah, bro. Yeah, thanks for the sub, dog. Appreciate it. Yeah, I've 5 times my viewership today, so that's progress. That's 500% growth. Throw that at Naeem, 500%. It's 500% of one. I just said it. I better see it in the chat. Yeah. Mandem Drake. Start to quiz you. Watch. Big math guy. Oh my god, okay, I keep getting sidetracked by stuff. It's okay though. It's five times the value that I gave you. Just divide the percent by 100. Oh my god. It's okay. Numbers are hard. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing half the time. Alright. What am I doing again? Oh yeah. If there's no state manager, we are going to create a state manager. mm. Mm-mm-mm. Interesting. We are almost done the annoying framework stuff, and then it'll be gameplay time. I don't know if I'll do that today, because it'll take a while, just to make the car alone, because it's incredibly physics heavy. I was learning it, I was looking through it today, what I made, excuse me, 3 years ago, and what the fuck, I don't know what the hell I was smoking back then, but I think I was taking the limitless pill. I was going crazy. Like, that script is insane. The calculations and stuff on that are just wild. So it's gonna take me a little bit to debug it. Yeah, the frameworks, I know, 100%. 100%. I do need to make this. I've been wanting to make like a mobile game starter kit for so long now, just with save loading, a menu, and then just like basic game manager, and then just loading into a scene. Josh is on the he's smoking that piff. He's smoking the electric lettuce again today. You gotta lay off. You gotta stop. You have a big weekend ahead of you. You can be clear headed. Just rewatch the stream again. But yeah, not allowed to drink till Sunday morning. You should be drinking. You should be drunk at your wedding for sure. It's the rules. But other than that, lay off. This reminded me, the last wedding I was at was my dad's wedding last summer, 2 summers ago now, and I filled up. I got a super soaker, one of the big boys. Adios, still. Thanks for tuning in. I had a super soaker, one of the big boys, and I filled it up with booze, filled up with rum, and I was just walking around the wedding, just giving people shots out of a water gun, super soaker, and I highly, I highly recommend it. What have you been told to do? Not to drink? Or drink every day except for Sunday? Every day except for Sunday? Shit, dog. Got some work to do. Why can't I do this? Game data, game state. I don't care about this stuff right now. I just want to load save. Did I even game state type? Bro, feel like, dude, this was a. There wasn't any kids at the wedding, man. I was going around. I was checking people's IDs, saying, "Hey, man, I would like to give you a free shot, but I'm gonna need to see some ID first." I've been told I need to be sober at least until we make our speeches. Yeah, that's all right. Nothing like a little liquid courage to get the words out. All the words at once. No spaces, no commas. That's what you need. Just get it over with. Just get it done. Get them out. Get it flowing. I'd recommend tequila, specifically Patron. Or not Patron, fucking Don Julio. Or Jaeger. Jaeger is a good event alcohol. Like something's going on. Jaeger is a, yeah, it's a good party one. It's an event. Fireball is a winter events alcohol. It is October, so we're not quite there yet, but I'd be willing to make an exception just for you. I got you some Fireball. It'll be my wedding gift. Alright, where the frick are we? Start. If instance. If there is an instance. And instance stop. Yeah. It's not equal. Jaeger is a wild one. It's it tastes like black licorice, but like good black licorice. Not like the shitty classic black licorice that everybody hates. Like a good black licorice, if that makes sense. It kind of, yeah, no, it's not great. It's a weird taste. It's not for everybody. It used to be a medicine, actually, back in the, I want to say medieval, but I don't think so. Probably like 1800s. Medieval's not nearly 1800s. And I don't think they had that nice of alcohol back then. It was just mead and something else. I'm just on autopilot at this point, talking to you guys about nonsense. I've completely lost the tutorial frame of mind. I'm just fucking typing. What is going on? Too many commas. 3 commas. Naeem, I know you're not allowed to drink, but if you were gonna drink, what would be your drink of choice? Ever tried black licorice? Just have a shot of Jaeger if you feel like trying it one day. If someone's like, hey, you want to try this black licorice? Just say, do you have Jaeger instead? I heard it's the same, but way better. And you should be good to go. Be fired up. Noches. Root beer? Even in hypothetical terms, he stays true to himself. I respect it. I respect it. Stay true to yourself. Big respect. Vanilla chocolate drink? Vanilla chocolate drink. Vanilla chocolate drink. I think I know what you're talking about. Hang on. But yeah, before we get into this save loading. Oh well, I need to research this. Whiskey. I think you're talking about a mudslide. I think they make those Smirnoff. Yeah, this looks freaking amazing. No, there's like bottled ones though. Yeah. This? These are like the things that you see. You go to somebody's house and this is like yeah, this one. I've never even tried it to be honest. Actually, maybe one time, but I was probably too drunk to remember it. Because there's like I wouldn't go out of my way to get this. I think if you had like 2 of them, you'd be puking everywhere. Mudslide ingredients. Oh my god, I hate these websites. It tells me like a backstory of like this is how old I was when I made it. This is why I made it. This is what happened after I made it. I don't care. Yeah. 1 ounce vodka, coffee liqueur, Bailey's Irish cream. Bailey's is good. I think you would love a Bailey's hot chocolate. You're not a coffee guy, I don't think. So probably a Bailey's hot chocolate. You'll be all over it. All over anyone who comes near you. Boom, boom, boom. To doing. Yeah, that's fine. Game manager to doing. Haven't done yet. Haven't done yet. Okay. Bailey's hot chocolate. Yeah, they're good. Very good. I think that would be your drink of choice if you did do that. This is our drink. Ooh. Okay. Save loading time. We do not have our create function. Okay, yeah, back to player data. Finally going back to the task at hand. So we need a void called save game prepare. Basically, we'll just update our save values. So we're gonna throw a try catch in here. Game state data player, data equal to our game manager dot state manager dot game state dot player. So this is essentially the current values that our game manager has, what he's been told, they have been told. And we're just gonna pull that data and we're gonna load it back into it. Sorry, we're gonna pull from our this script data player and we're gonna load it onto that save file. Then loading is the other way. We pull the data into the player. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Let's start with, generally it's a bit cleaner if you do it the way you set up your variables. So master music SFX. Music. This becomes music. This becomes SFX. This becomes SFX. Just like that. Ready to roll. Yeah, obviously there's some more stuff up here. I'm just gonna copy this. It's gonna complain, so I'm just gonna comment it out. Just make it a bit easier to see. Let's do currency. Currency. High score. What was best time? This time, and then we have data. Finally, is premium is equal to its premium. There you go. Boom. There is what we're gonna save. We'll just have an empty catch block here, so it lets us continue. Boom. And then we obviously need our load game prepare, because they are hand in hand. You need one without the other, with the other. Load save manager. This is the exact same code, so I'm just gonna copy and paste. Make my life a bit easier. And there we go, down to that player. Very good. And essentially this is this, but in reverse. So you can just go like this. It's a little funky, but delete it. Delete it. Equals, paste it. You can go like this. And just delete the backside. Yeah, that's better. Master music. We also need speed music. X. There we go. Yeah, just completely backwards. Highlighter, nope. Then it's premium, cool. Yeah. Back to our game manager. Start. All right. Oh, we need one more here. Deploy, create. This will be the starting point of load saving. And we're essentially just going to be updating our instance. We do this. If instance, what do you call it? Player data instance is equal to null. PD instance is equal to new constructor of our class. There we go. New instance. Boom. Simple as that. Not really. Okay, yeah, now finally we can create our data. Did I save? Yep. Static. There we go. So now we can call it without the class instance. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now we can actually call our save file to be saved. So string save file is equal to, we're going to use something called path.combine. Instead of building a string ourselves with like backslash and stuff, this is way better because it's platform specific. And I believe it's Apple that doesn't use the traditional pathing, file path structure on iOS devices. And it can cause a real headache. And it's really annoying how to fix. So we're just going to eliminate the problem before it happens. By sort of this persistent data path. Talking too fast. Save game.xml, which is the name of our save file. So it'll just basically be this persistent data path. It's like the root of your game on the phone. So for me, because I'm on my editor, it would be user local path app data whatever. Yeah, I'll show it to you guys, but on a phone is different. So you want to do path with the application persistent data. And yep, there you go. Now let's just do a little null check here. If it's still empty, we're just gonna try to do it again, because why not? Didn't work the first time, maybe it'll work the second time. I don't know, computers are weird. Just do it and maybe it'll work. Next, if and def. This is platform specific stuff. So if we are in Unity underscore iOS, and then we'll hit them with an elif. We are in Unity underscore Android, and then another one, elif. We are in the Unity underscore editor. And because I already, oh, my nose is itchy. Because I hopped to the Android platform, it should only show the Android section here. But essentially, it's all the same. But if you do need to add Oh, if you do need to add like differences between them, this is where you do it and how you do it. What are you complaining about? Oh, I put the thing in here. And if okay, so it's how to actually call the save. If save file is not equal to this, or yeah, now IntelliSense doesn't work because we're not on the iOS platform. What the fuck was that? Bro, IntelliSense is way too powerful. Jeez. Should have just done this outside of the ifs, but whatever. So this is the difference right here. So checking if a save file exists on Android is really easy because they have built-in part of their library. You know, system, or I think it's part of Microsoft. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't work on Apple basically. If the state manager, then we will just do state manager dot load with our save file name. This save file, which we retrieved earlier. So we're gonna pass that in. Cool. And now we can do player data instance load game complete. So all that data that we just pulled, we will be sending it to the player to load it into the actual game to use it. My nose is so itchy right now. Okay. What is next? Yes, we have our load game. We're just gonna copy this. Should be basically the same in the editor. Yeah, the only difference really is just that if line, which is kind of annoying, but that's the way it is. Apple doesn't like to make things easier. Actually, neither does Google. Nothing is easy about game development. Something that you learn the hard way. Noise. Yep. And then we have save functions, which are different. Oh. Save. Yep. Getting all the boring stuff out of the way. Save game. Persistent data path. So this is just where we are saving from. Data. Save game prepare. There you go. File path. Combine. Holy man, so many saving and loading calls. It's never ending. I really do need to make this into a package, Brian said. And I put it on the App Store or the how's it called? Unity Asset Store for like 10 cents. Because it sucks. I'm getting lazy. It's copy and paste time. Thanks, bro. I could just copy and paste it all, but it would be somewhat informative. Load game. It's the same thing. You just call load. So that is essentially that. Save game, app, page quit, load game. And this will be in a bundle for $10. Yeah, probably could. It's not the. I'm doing it for the people. For the fans. Alright. Save game. Cool. I think that's good to go. Load game. If it's iOS, we're gonna take this. Boom. It's the same thing, basically. The people. Do it for the people. And that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, that's it for now. You wanna go back? Yeah. I would miss it if I stopped doing it for a while. But it is a lot. I don't blame you for walking away. What would you want to do if you went back? You want to build a game, some scripts, some gameplay, some AI, software, a lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure. So now, hang on. If I throw my game manager in the scene, game manager, current state game menu. Yep, it's fine. You're good. I can't remember. I think I put this up. I'm gonna put it on the same CBA. CBA, mate. I'm just gonna delete that. There we go. Should see some stuff. Not when it's focused. Mobile game? Nice. Pokemon remake? Remaster Pokemon? That'd be pretty sick. Mobile games, yeah, mobile games are good. Like, if you can get like the frameworks down, basically what I'm doing today, you can get that shit all done, and then you just start making mechanics. It's pretty fun. Like, it's just the same as a normal game, and hopefully you can make a couple pennies off it, a few pesos. All right, start. Transform components imager. Do. then it should hit that, and then we should hit that, and we should hit this. Cool. Yeah, get the bread. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. Well, I might have to go check on puppies in a second. See what the dogs are up to. Dogs. Mm-mm-mm. State manager, no, state manager alone. So we're not getting a state manager. That would be why. Hold up. What the dog doing? Exactly. I gotta go find out. What's state manager, no game opponent, state manager. What is it that emote? Oh my god. Instant set game, I'll just get component. Let's save. Turn. So we just hit if no save manager, state manager. Just debug.log. No state manager. State manager. Yeah. Load state manager. Got it. Got it. Oh, now it pops up. The fuck, bro? It's because there's no data to load. That's why. God damn. God damn. I'm a silly goose. Can't load data if there's nothing to load, bruh. You want to see what an encrypted save file looks like, though? It's scary. It's scary shit. I'll show you, though. Open any file explorer. Copy. Paste that. That. Whoa. No. Notepad. This is what an encrypted save file looks like. Scary shit. Scary shit. Yeah. And if it wasn't encrypted, it would literally just say, it would be like, hold up. It would just be like, it'd be like music, volume, equal to 1. SFX, volume, equal 1. Obviously, it would be like data player like this. Like this. Yeah. And then it would just tell me all my data that I have. All my data that I have like in here. It's literally just these variables. 6 floats and a boolean. That's all it is. But when you encrypt it, it turns into this freaking mumbo jumbo that should theoretically be impossible to break into. So people can open your save file and change their like currency value from 5 to 5 million. Or like, I think the largest float value is like 2 billion 147,376,000 or something like that. That would be the highest where it would break. But yeah, so this theoretically prevents it. That's it. There you go. Load saving. Simple. Yeah. Yeah, it's like actual it's like real characters that use in like actual languages, but it's like so many different languages all put into one file. No, it's not Chinese. Well, like pieces of it are Chinese. But here I'll show you. So open with Notepad. So like if I just copy this whole thing, Control C, then I go Google Translate. If I just throw it in, it's like it doesn't know. Can't do it. But if I was just to give it one symbol, that was a bad symbol of choice. Some symbols don't mean anything, some do. Like there's like question marks and like weird stuff. This looks like something. Chinese, yeah. So let's just pull like a random key. What looks like it could be an actual. Let's try this. Korean. Korean. Wow. Wow in Korean. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
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 Try this one. Can't even convert that to English apparently, but it's a Chinese word, so cool. But yeah, that is encryption. Wow. Yeah, bro. Shit's crazy. Pain. Matter. That's not a. Is that a word? It's a plant. Bro. Tien, yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. But load save complete. Milestone. Load save with encryption done. It only took how long have I been live? I don't know. 2 hours. It took 2 hours, but we did it. Freaking did it. So there you go. You have encryption in your game. You have load saving. Only took 3 scripts, 2 hours. Now I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make like a canvas quick then. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, pretty wild, huh? Pretty wild. Just throw that over there. What do we need? IAPs? Oh, I could make an IAP quick. Tempting. No. Not yet. Just gonna throw up a canvas. Canvas. We'll call this main canvas. And we're building a mobile game. So we're just gonna snap the 2D here. So we build it facing forward. Screen space. World space. Or no, sorry. Screen space. What am I looking for? Scale of screen size. Generally you want 0.5. 1920 by 1080. Ideally. You can change it up if you want. So we're gonna make some main menu panel. panel. Main menu panel. Actually, I'm just gonna create a background panel, which will be a little bit larger, because for whatever reason you can see like a crack when it's not. We'll do that. Scale it up. It's fine. UI. Make another panel. Call this one main menu panel. This one will be our screen size. Yep. I want my background to be black. Full opacity. Very nice. Make this one a little bit easier to look at. Sure. Okay, and then on my panel, I want text. Import TMP. Get your Text Mesh Pro. Very important. Not really. It just looks way better. Oh, my legs are dying. Import it. I don't want your examples. I don't need it. Call this title text. This will be top of the screen. A little bit down. A little bit down. We are going to middle justified wrapping disabled. Delivery simulator. There you go. Looks nice. I just happened to throw it on. I actually slept in it and then I haven't changed. So I'm in my real streamer era. I'm just not caring. I'm in my Asmongold phase. Isn't that? What am I doing here? Game. Oh yeah, landscape. Yeah, that's fine. I'm definitely not sponsored by Toronto Film School. I don't think they have the money to sponsor anybody. No. Man is real streamer. Yes. I will become streamer. I've grown my viewership 5 times today, up to 5 subs. Let's fucking go. It's that easy. Just gotta show up. Should I make like a vertical holder? Nah, I don't want to. We will make a horizontal one though. Button holder. This will be centered. Great. Horizontal. Watch out. TMP button. Button TMP. Lay. B_lay. And you will be middle, center. You will be anchored to the bottom of my screen. You will be play. There we go. Very nice. One button down. And then we can duplicate all this. Looks bad. Another fix. There we go. And padding, please. Spacing. Thank you. There we go. So we have a play. Cool. P_shot. B_garage. So the cars we own, or the consumables or whatever you want to own, whatever. Be settings. Be actually gonna switch these two. Be garage be play. Be info for how to play. I should probably be changing the text boxes on these as well. Be this one will be settings, yeah. Settings there. You will be quit. Boom. Go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, we gotta change the actual text of the button so we know what we're clicking. Play is fine. Shop. Garage. Info. Settings. And quit. Play shop garage info settings quit. Done. Shit, I probably gotta go soon. God damn. Solid first day streaming though. Couple hours. Couple viewers. Hmm. We will want a text called high score. Text underscore high score. Make another empty. We'll call this scores order, I guess. This will be stretch top to bottom. Yep. You will have a vertical layout. Cool. Starting in the upper middle center, sure. So if I childhood, of course. There we go. Now if I start, still doesn't want to go. Okay. Oh. What did I put that on? Oh, I'm losing it. Oh my god, I child it to the wrong thing. There it is. Alright. Next my scores, text, best time. The spacing on that is way too large. Bring it in. Generally don't like using this vertical layout shit because everyone's phone's different, so it changes how it looks. But it'll be alright for now. My score is equal to best time. Time is equal to 0, 0, 0. Both of you centered, disabled. Width, go out, normal size. Boom. Change the min a bit. Max 72 is fine. There you go. Buttons. Main menu done. So what is next? I don't know. We'll just get like, oh, we can make our UI script one. Main menu manager. Alright, after I do this, I'm probably gonna call it for the day. It's coming. It's coming, brother. It's coming. It's gonna be such a good game. I'm so hyped. So we will need a bunch of buttons. Using Unity engine. Now you serialize field button B_play B_. What's my second one? Shot. Garage. Settings. Info. Width. Fucking name. I just wanted to change that order. There we go. And then on start, we're just gonna bind. Thank you, brother. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Enjoy your evening. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Six of them. 1, 2, 3. Shop garage info, settings, and quits. Quit's an easy one. Application.quit. Done. Other than the binds. B play dot on click. Listener on click is the same on mobile. Simulates touch. On touch is the same as on click. On play button. Your play button pressed. On. There you go. That is not correct. Info. Settings. There we go. So we can just do, what is this? Shop button pressed. Garage button pressed. Info button pressed. And so on and so on. Quit button pressed. Could probably just call out on application quit here. But whatever. Probably not a great idea. Don't want to couple that too hard. So we could just add some debugs right now to make it see if it's working, which it will be. Almost guaranteed. 99% sure. Just function. I missed. And I'm just gonna copy pasta this a few times. Copy. Let me just do this. That'll be fine. It's only working like a build. You could use, there's like an editor to stop playing function, I think, but it's whatever. I don't really need that. Shop on garage. Double click, Control C, Control V. Oh. Here we go. we should have our main. Actually, I'll just put it on the base class, main menu canvas class. And yeah, that's fine. I don't know. Yeah, it'll be fine. Then we'll just load different panels like within this canvas. So they'll have like a shop panel and stuff. It's people say it's better to load canvases than panels within a canvas, but it's just so much easier. It saves so much time. Like I don't really see what the problem is. How it could be any different. If anything, I would think a canvas is more expensive, but you know, what do I know? Here we go. Buttons ready. Let's see. Where's my console? Over here for some reason. What do we got? Play button press. Nice. Shop button press. Cool. 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 Very good. So the score, actually, I can do that quick before I call it. To show the saving loading system in action. Serialized text mesh. I'm not using TMP. I'm going to be using TMP Pro, TM Pro, not TM Pro Pro. Text Mesh Pro Yagui, Unity, graphics, interface, something interface. I don't know. Yagui. High scores text. Here, let's just call it high score text. Duplicate it, and this will be our best time text. So there we go. On start, we can just set these because they won't really need to be updated at runtime. Every time we load the main menu, it'll just update by doing this. High score text dot text is equal to. First of all, let's play it safe. Player data dot instance not equal to null. I'm just gonna do a return here, so we don't even try if it's not there. And instead of coupling it like this, we can just do that. It's basically just the reverse of saying if it's okay. If it's not okay, get the hell out of there. If it is okay, keep going. Because we're gonna be calling it like this, straight out of instance.best. This is our high score. High score. String. Or actually, we're just gonna go like this. High score plus that. There you go. Turns it into a string. Duplicate it. Best time text is equal to best time. Probably. I think high score is one word. Best time is not one word. English can be hard sometimes. Best time. Boom. And that should be that. Go to drag and drop. Make sure she's good to go. If I can find it. Oh yeah, I put it up here for some reason. High score, text, best time. So let's just change it. Actually, I'm just gonna change it right now so we can tell it's going or not. Working. It's the right word. Let's see. No. Why? Guess probably did it too soon. Where's my game manager? We need to add a default execution order to this, so it's the first thing that happens. Brackets 0. 0 first round of Slayer on 0. 0 comes first. Let's see if that is the case. We might have to change the menu to 1, which is fine. Sounds pretty good when you start. Is it not? Actually, no, it's setting to 0, so it's definitely changing it. Wait, what? Wait, no, I just defaulted to 0, 0. Display data on. Quick check on that. Just go like this. This. Debug.log. ED is null. An eye on our console over here. ED is null. So like if I just called it again, like later, it would be fine. It's just the execution order. So let's try this. That is not what I'm trying to do. There we go. 0. Oh no, sorry, 1. Definitely not 0. Let's see. There we go. It works. Bueno. So yeah, I was just trying to load at the same time and it wasn't, the instance wasn't set yet. Cool. There you go. Times are 0 because I haven't played the game yet. There isn't even a game to play. There you go. That's it. This is my 4,000 git changes today. A lot of that's just TMP. Menu plus TMP. TMP. Push our original push that we never did. Initial push. And it'll take a while to push, so I might just let that do its thing. And I think I'm going to call it a stream for today. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Appreciate it. It was a good first official dev stream. Had a good time. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I'll probably be streaming again maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. I think it might be November by Tuesday, or it's like the last day of October. Anyways, Tuesday probably.